Carl, Kidney, Birukui, East, West, the municipality, Equipe Moeng, a level down Caribe, down Cabello Cachel, Chalawan, Kidgum, Chalawan, Jolly, Red Kelpo. We don't get that a party, family party in NRM. We don't get that we will Ripe, we don't really, we hope to be my deep, but don't learn anything. New, my baby, my child, my family, my little 12 one NRM. Walipe, walipe kitumwekwa, walipe kitumwa kewa, wanera ni, walipe dui, pio na bibilo. Fai dui ne kama dui ne dui kumi politics. Walipe ki bima, walipe kede, ni machel mo bibilo. Amelo ko dui chuki ko kede, amelo ko RDC, security board organization mege, ni jami dui chuki mo bibilo, jami woro. Mabe amelo ko la pio, amelo ko Cyrus. Thank you.
Sudah yom ni, bukan awak ambil rokok itu radio, itu kau ye ni primary election ni ada yang berada kena war ni, ada election di Biyot, mereka ye ni elections ciri ya. Udingnya ni ada karunya porro, ando juga yang tual ni TNN ni, lupa gen tual koma, ni especially cuma ini tu Europe, gen tual koma ni yang ni ini era TNN ni. Agen ni, kita pihak cahaya, PM mabi bino itu ma cakap cuma pario, makui kita boleh cuma cel bahawa bino, mana PM mabi cakap. Ia mapia attack micho in parliament e ne fo mi yera tin bendera ba enara micho in parliament kadi be kumanu tie chika madum ma chika bot da choix constitution of part ber ki da perde lo tikere ma gene ka yu yer an du ma chiel mo birum micho parliament abiden tich weng chobe weng a cheko tiko chobe ma cheke ye be ko ker ma karru manu am na jalo minister yem tim jema du hata karru jangan mana para pandai cari kan dia dua badan ni di mana ibu jam ma ikut tua ikut curi piloi an ajar minasa kau ni kan ni pitin ni cuy yang tuan ni jam karabe ambil poin lukin gang ambil poin bukui ni dua jam putih memang right ni wana dano mikir wana dano dan mikir kita kamu kini kende pakai por kan berbukan ni madano ciri kan tuhu wana berbikin dano berlacu tuan, mirip tuan memberi kit formanu, alai udah riba ye, tapi ada kit NRM, wakil meki kita opposition, kalau kita meki di apa ciel,
foi matek, yo daton.
Let me begin by recognizing the presence of my colleague leaders of the party. I have my vice chairperson, Judith Wong. I don't know if there are other members of the district executive who are here. My brother, Claudia Godfrey, the chairperson of the Entrepreneurs League. I have chairpersons from sub-county, senior, one of the most senior, Moses Zepore, the commander of the Greater Namukwara, and now commanding Namukwara Town Council. I have my brother also, another senior, Mr. Lalao, and then my brother, the chairman of Namukwara North, and others who could be outside. This morning, I am overwhelmed with joy. The PA of Honorable Minister Lilian and the one of Honorable Minister Yen were saying how we spend an idea. Me, I couldn't manage it when I reached around 5 a.m. I had to step back and then have a small rest. That's why I said I came in a little late. The admin was saying the district is having a young commander, but I think I am up to the task. Few days after our election, we were at the party headquarters. And just like in any other area where people expected a lot of anxiety, one of the national leaders of the party, when I introduced myself rather than the chairman, Kibu, the person said he was sympathizing with me and he is praying that God to give me the strength to stay at the district, especially during the time of the primary elections. And I want to say where we have reached, Reverend Father, we can gladly say God has been with us. God has been with us and we have successfully concluded, just like the Honorable Minister said. When we compare with other parts of the country, I think we ran a good race. We had a good play, a fair and a good play, and I want to congratulate the people of Kibu. I have been imagining that when I look at the results for all the 4 constituencies, the 3 direct parliamentary constituencies and that of the woman member of parliament, specifically, these constituencies which are won by the sitting ministers, there could never be a better choice than retaining a sitting minister. There could never have been a better choice for these people in the different constituencies to drop a minister, a sitting minister, and opt for another person, unless that person had demonstrated the highest level of incompetence, then we would have another alternative choice. But I think so far, as the people of Kibu, as NRM, in Kibu, we prayed and our wish was to retain our ministers. This is not to put to disadvantage. There are other people who offer themselves to compete with these ministers. But I think for purposes of continuity, for consolidating the achievement that we have made in this government, aware that we still have the national commander who is continuing, it is only better for us to put back people who are continuing to stay at the country together with the national commander, who is none other than His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda. I want to congratulate the team leaders of the different campaign teams of the winning team for demonstrating the highest level of competence. This is politics, and because, just like the minister said, there were different constituencies and others cross boundaries to the constituencies of others. For example, like the one of the woman MP, she crosses all the other 3 constituencies. In one way or the other, the method of work, the strategies of the different campaign teams and supporters could have stayed on the stores of the other campaign teams. I want us to consider that those were all intended, good strategies intended to win up to this moment. Now that we have finished our different internal campaigns and elections, and upon declaration, I want to believe that the candidates are now handed over in our hands as a party structure. And I want to commit and commend that our team are ready to take you to the next level. And the next level is the general elections. We will definitely deploy our all available ways of ensuring that these flags that you have won does not remain around the constituencies. We must deliver this flag to the national parliament. Finally, I have said it yesterday when we declared the candidate for Kibu municipality, that at the national level, there is already a precedent of slogan administered by the president, settling for the best. I want to say, of the 5 candidates that presented themselves in Chua East, I want to say the people of Chua East have settled for the best. And this will enable us have the desired capacity to face